Hi guys, this is Sam from UberDriverNow.com. I just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys how the Uber ratings work, Uber driver ratings. From the main screen, you're going to tap on your picture, and you're going to tap on your profile, and then you're going to tap on your rating. And it's going to show you that this rating is basically based on the last 500 ratings. So you can see I got 486 5 stars and 9 4 stars, 3 3 stars, 1 2 star, and 1 1 star. So my overall rating is 4.96. There's no rider feedback. This is basically if they were to say something that they felt was an issue with the ride, will show up here. And the way that you basically what they say is that rider comments are always anonymous, ratings are confidential, so we can't provide information around the rating given for a specific trip. And the riders will not see their updated rating until they have rated you, so you can feel confident providing honest feedback. So if anytime a rider rates you lower than 5 stars, they're asked a specific question as to why they're rating it lower than 5. If a trip is cancelled, they will riders will be unable to rate the trip. So it's important that you rate the rider appropriately so that the other drivers that are picking up the riders know exactly what the issue was. If the person's got a low rating, you will know kind of beforehand as to what to expect. Because I have seen from personal experience that people who have a lower rating, there's usually a reason for it. And so just don't automatically rate someone 5 stars. Rate them according to how your experience was with them as a passenger. How were they as a passenger? So yeah, that's basically what it is. I mean, if you consistently receive negative feedback or low ratings, they're gonna give you some warnings. But as long as you greet them, say hi, hello when they sit in your car. All you gotta do really is, hey, how are you? Or hello, how you doing? Some people respond, some people just say hey or whatever. Sometimes they have their headphones on and they don't even listen. So as long as you do your part and you do you greet them, you take them to the destination safely, you drive like a normal person, you're gonna get a 5 star. And that's how I've been able to maintain a really high rating, just by doing that simple things. It's not very hard. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or comments, guys, you can leave them under the video, and go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And I will and just subscribe by tapping on that logo at the bottom right. Check out my other video on the screen, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.